I do enjoy coming to woodland, but the trouble is with a lot of Nottinghamshire woodland, it's always tinted with extreme sadness, really. I don't like to see trees cut down, not mature trees. It's all done in the name of profit and apparently in conservation. That makes you wonder. I often think that we think more of the trees and woodlands and forests the other side of the world than what we ever do the trees over here in the UK. We show them little reverence, and no matter how much these timber companies and conservation organisations say, well, we've taken some trees out but we've planted 3 times as many to replace them. You can't replace them, and haven't indeed replaced them until they're the same age. And when you're taking trees out that are sort of upwards of 50 years old to 100 years old, it takes a long time to replace them. It's very sad as someone that's spent the last 20-30 years or so recording invertebrates of various orders, put so many records on the map, and indeed put Nottinghamshire back on the map with the work that Dillis and I did, especially in Sherwood Forest. It's disappointing that as fast as we could find something on a tree, they would take that tree down. We won't realise what we've had until it's gone, you know. And no one seems to really care. Not that I've seen in management. I've yet to see any evidence of it, really. The key thing with any place is the management plan, the Bible. That to which you must adhere to and obey at all times, that unmovable object. And that's what's so disappointing, especially as somebody that records invertebrates. If only invertebrates could be given the same status as bats, badgers, woodlark, nightjar and newts. Things wouldn't be so bad then if everything was looked on equally as importantly. But they're not. Invertebrates are still believed by management to occur in vast numbers, but not all do. That's a popular misconception. One day, it's a misconception that will lead to the extinction of a number of invertebrates from our national nature reserves, and woodlands and parks. And then we'll want a load of money to try and bring them back again.